Oof, after a long day, we decide to go to a place called El Típicobonao. I'm telling you, the decor, it's beautiful. This restaurant is like, I believe, 62 years old. It's been passed on from generation to generations. I mean, the food is great. I mean, it was kind of early. I didn't see many people, but we sat down and the service is excellent. And then, here's the menu. I mean, the prices are, affordable for the quality, as you can see. They pretty much serve everything. But we decide, personally, I decided to go for something local, what is called the sancocho. I mean, the sancocho is pretty much it's a typical dish from the DR. I mean, as you can see, you can take it with rice, and so I mean, food is very good. I mean, it was amazing, and so I definitely recommend the sancocho. I mean, he has meat in it. He has corn, different type of meat. I mean, and the broth. I mean, it's just amazing. So definitely I recommend. So next time you come to DR, stop El Típico Bonao.